Utah, a state known for rugged, otherworldly terrains. These natural landscapes are jewels of our planet and are under threat as our climate changes. Paul Hudson is a Salt Lake City local and owner of Hudson Printing Company. He believes that Utah is the most beautiful place on earth.
It's always been important to me to think about reconciling our craft of printing with the feelings I've always had about the natural world and our responsibility. At Hudson Printing, we're balancing all of our carbon emissions. We've been working with the World Land Trust in order to do that. We're also looking at ways to reduce carbon, and we're looking at new print technologies and material partners and automation technologies in order to be able to reduce our emissions the lowest we possibly can, and whatever we can't eliminate, then we will balance. I believe that the automation is absolutely critical for any print company going forward. First, because one, they're precise, which allows you to build precise workflows which are efficient, which is incredibly important, but also fast. The world requires us to be really fast. Speed is currency in today's printing world, and without the automation flows, you simply can't attract that kind of work. I think the InFocus products really are the de facto industry standard for automation. So implementing those tools in conjunction with expert help from Rods and Cones really enabled us to build the workflows we needed for a wide variety of customers.
An InFocus switch workflow is a set of automatic steps through which a job moves on its way to its final destination. This can be a press, a proofing system, or even a customer. These steps are usually repetitive, including such tasks as adding crop marks, checking the file's resolution, or updating a client on the status of a job. The flows are built by assembling folders that are connected to each other and assigned specific tasks. These tasks can be very simple or deeply complex, and they can constantly evolve. Chad Coleman is the Vice President of Technology at Hudson Printing and the architect of Hudson's automation system.
At Hudson Printing, we started getting our feet wet in the automation space with digital printing, and we had one particular customer that required very heavy amounts of data files that we needed to process individually. We were not able to do that through normal day-to-day operations, and with the help of Rods and Cones and InFocus Switch and Pit Stop, we were able to allow our systems to process that data at high number volume through the systems. Really, it started off with just having great customer relationships with our customers and being able to be flexible and work with them. So out of the box, InFocus Switch is an amazing product. It could be an end-to-end solution from order imports to getting files out to a press all by itself. But it also exposed a lot more versatility that we were able to use. So by using the script modules or the database connections, we're able to connect in and out of our systems, move files around, and it just allowed tremendous growth and new opportunities for us to be able to expand our automation. For instance, one of the products we do a lot of are one-off photo books, and doing photo books has its challenges. Your cover and your body tend to go different routes through the process, and you have to bring them back together. So by using Pit Stop and Switch, we're able to pre-flight the files, get them standardized, get all the markings that are needed for barcodes for cover to body matching at the perfect binder, and allows us to keep things unified, grouped together as much as we can, so there's minimal touching points on the jobs, and it's all done because of Switch. In our IT department or pre-press department, never have to see a file. Jobs just come in, process behind the back. We have it all just seamlessly integrated between our press department. It just flows through the system.
With automation comes higher productivity and the need for faster presses. In 2021, Hudson Printing acquired its first Landa press, with the second one arriving in 2023, putting them one step closer to a clean, low-footprint operation.
Nanography is very different. It's a new process that's been introduced only in recent years by Landa. And it has a couple of really unique properties. One is the nano ink itself, that even though it's extremely thin on the paper, it's really powerful and it delivers incredibly beautiful printing. The second thing about nanography that is really unique is that the printing happens actually to a heated, conditioned blanket, not directly to the paper. And then the water is driven out before that is applied to the paper.
The Landa platform allows us to deliver print at the speed that our clients request today. We've never been able to get direct mail into the postal stream as fast as we can now with the Landa. 6x9 postcards, we can print about 50,000 an hour. They come off coated. Most of our clients want their postcards coated before they go into the mail, so it protects during the delivery process. And so it's just changed the way we've been able to run our business and deliver for our clients in the timeline that their clients are requesting.
It's really important to me that the work we do is beneficial to the world, and print is powerful. It's still a very powerful medium. And for me then to be able to match that with the ability to make a difference for the planet is incredibly important for me.